good morning. Back to harvesting my kale. A lot of leaves again after 2 weeks. 2 weeks I didn't harvest any kale because I was using the other vegetables. So now, so many kale and look at my eggplant here. And there's an eggplant that big fruits. Here it's hiding the big fruit. There you go. And another over there, one huge. Here and there you go, the huge eggplant. Ayan na. Big. And two of them. See, one here, this one here, and the other one over there. So I got two jumbo eggplant here. I think I can harvest the other one. So I can make a... It's hard to eat. There you go. I got the big one. Yay! Hehe. It's jumbo. Ay, nalaglag. See guys. I got a jumbo eggplant. It's raining today. So that's why I tried to, try to remove a lot of grasses in the peanuts area. There you go. Even it's eaten by the deer, I'm still hoping that my peanuts still can produce fruits. So now I'm here in the tomatoes area. So here you go. I'm gonna harvest some tomatoes. Here I'm gonna harvest some tomatoes because a lot of ripe already, and it's raining, keep overnight raining, and because of too hot last week or the 3 days or like, see guys, because of too hot, this is what happened to the tomatoes. Ayan, no, because of too hot weather for over a week, so it's dried up also the tomato. So I might just gonna harvest this and put in a soup. See guys, a lot of fruits. Nakakatuwa, diba? Ang saya sa... I'm harvesting now my cherry tomatoes for salad. And I can put this as well on a soup. So I don't have any basket for harvesting because I don't have to plan a harvest because it's raining. Since I'm here already in the garden, so I'm just gonna continue harvesting it because it's keep raining. It might gonna fall all the... See, this one I'm trying to reach. Oh, it's falling already because of the rain. Oh, it's falling to the ground, so it's better to harvest. Ayan, diba? So that's the problem when it's too much hot weather. It's affect also the tomatoes fruit, and then when it's affect tomato fruits, it's gonna gone bad even it's still in the tomato trees. Yan o, naghawan ako dito.